Yeah, hello there. This is Ashmita from Sources Classes, and in today's class, we're going to solve the ISS paper General English. So, this is a 2022 paper, ISS 2022 paper, and we're going to solve only a handful of questions in today's class, not the entire paper because it's quite lengthy, and we're going to continue in a series of videos so that you can just focus on one question in each class. So let's get started. Let's start with question number 4 over here. It says, you use the following words, each in a single sentence, and by not changing the meaning, um, yeah, without changing the meaning, without changing the form of the word, you need to write a sentence. Okay, yeah, it's kind of hazy, so I'm writing it down. You need to write a sentence over here without altering the form of the word and also without altering the meaning of the word. Okay, so that is what the entire thing is telling you. The first word is spacious. It's S-P-E, all right. C-I-O-U-S. So it's S-P-E-C-I-O-U-S. So spacious. What do you understand by spacious? Now this word means that sometimes you have a false look of truth or genuineness, right? Sometimes you feel that a person is speaking lies on your face. So that is what you call spacious. So what kind of sentence can you make with it? You can just yeah, I'm giving an example from my part that the argument is rather spacious than sound. I'm writing it down. The argument is rather spacious than sound. So this means that there was an argument going on, and it was kind of doubtful rather than like proper. So it was kind of there was something wrong with the argument, but it was like showing that it was true, but it was in reality it was not true. The second word is uncouth. Now, uncouth means awkward or uncultivated in appearance, you can say, like not proper, like not groomed in your appearance. That you can call as uncouth. All right. You can also say that something is lacking in its polish and grace. That is also you can say uncouth. Now, what sentence can you make with uncouth? Here, I would give you an example that he disliked the uncouth style of the scriptures. So the scriptures are these kind of like manuscripts type things, and in those particular things, there was not proper polish or there was not a proper appearance of the scriptures, and that is what we call as uncouth. So I'm writing down the sentence for you, the example one, that he disliked the uncouth style of the scriptures. Okay, the next word is prevaricate. Now, prevaricate means to deviate from the truth. So, you see, this spacious and prevaricate is a bit of similar, all right, because like almost the meaning is coming to the same thing only. Okay, so prevaricate means to deviate from the truth, like you are talking half truth and then you suddenly go over to something which is absolutely not true. So, to deviate from the truth. And hence you can write a sentence like this, that tell us exactly what happened and don't prevaricate. Like, tell us exactly what happened and do not tell us lies. So that can be a sentence. So I'm writing down the sentence for you all, that is, tell us exactly what happened and don't prevaricate. All right. Yeah. Next is chagrin. Now, chagrin means disappointment or anger, or you can say, especially, it's kind of that it's that kind of an anger which is caused by any kind of mistake or failure. Okay. So yeah, that is what chagrin is. What a sentence can you make with it? Like, yeah, especially I can make a sentence from a situation during the lockdown. Like, she gained 5 pounds over the lockdown period, much to her chagrin. Like, many of us have gained weight, right, during the lockdown, so that can be a sentence. So she has. I'm writing down the sentence for all of you. She has gained 5 pounds during the lockdown period, much to her chagrin. All right. Yeah. So that was another sentence. Next is connoisseur. Okay, a connoisseur means an expert in any kind of an art. Like, it can be an expert in criticizing something, like being a critic, book critic, movie critic, or you can say an artist, painter, or you can also say a person who is expert in tasting food. Uh, that can also be called connoisseur. Um, yeah, so a sentence with this can be, only a real connoisseur would understand the difference between two wines. Yeah, that can be a very good sentence. Um, only the real connoisseur would understand the difference between two wines. Yeah, so that was the question discussion for today's class. We're going to continue with a series of solving sessions of this ISS English General English paper again in our next classes. Till then, if you want to join our classes, you can just go over to the description box. There you will get the official website link and the contact details. There you can call us at any time and get yourselves enrolled for any kind of guidance regarding any kind of competitive exam or any kind of entrance exams. And apart from that, you can also like go over to the official website and join from there also. And if you have any queries, do comment down below in the comment box, which is very much left for all of you to post your queries. Yeah, so that's it for today's class. Let's meet once again in our next classes.